We've been looking up at the stars, dreaming of building Dyson spheres, colonizing galaxies, harnessing suns. But what if we've been thinking all wrong? What if the most advanced civilizations don't chase energy? They chase control over reality itself. Stars are for amateurs. Intelligence shrinks. Power grows. A civilization that can control matter at the atomic scale might be invisible to us, and yet more powerful than anything humanity can imagine. Would you rather control a star, or control the very building blocks of reality? Could life on Earth itself be subtly engineered by an intelligence we cannot see? The Kardashev scale measures civilizations by energy. Planetary, stellar, galactic. But energy alone does not define intelligence. Enter the Barrow Scale. The true measure of progress isn't expansion, it's mastery of the smallest scales of the universe. The smaller you go, the greater the control, the more frightening the civilization. Imagine a civilization so advanced, we wouldn't detect them if they were inside our own cells. If mastery of matter is true power, what are we missing by looking only to the stars? At B+1, civilizations began to manipulate molecules with precision that borders on godlike. Imagine entire cities built with self-assembling nanostructures, materials lighter than air, liquids that never evaporate, metals stronger than diamond. Nothing is impossible when the building blocks of matter obey your will. At these level, energy becomes irrelevant. Controlling matter is more efficient than harnessing a star. A single atom could contain the power of 1,000 suns if manipulated correctly. If a civilization can redesign matter itself, do they even need spaceships? Could entire worlds exist in a lab, invisible to us? B+2 civilizations manipulate individual atoms. Reality itself becomes a canvas. Entire structures, machines, and even life forms can be built atom by atom. Think of it. A civilization that controls matter at this level could create planets in a laboratory, engineer life, or even bend chemical laws. They don't emit signals, build megastructures, or expand visibly. They are invisible, not because they hide, but because our senses cannot perceive their scale. They exist in plain sight, in a universe too coarse for us to detect their genius. Invisible, unimaginable, everywhere. Everywhere could. Some of the atoms in your body have been arranged by an intelligence you'll never see. Could reality itself be engineered? Think about it. Civilizations at B+1 or B+2 leave no energy footprints, no megastructures, no radio signals, only subtle changes in matter itself. Perhaps the universe is riddled with intelligence we cannot see, signals hidden in the laws of physics, the atomic structures of planets, or even the fabric of life. Could atoms themselves carry messages from civilizations billions of years ahead of us? Could the universe itself be a laboratory for intelligence we cannot yet comprehend? If we can't detect them, how will we ever communicate or even know they exist? From planetary control, to manipulating life, to mastering atoms. Intelligence shrinks, power grows, and logic fractures. But what comes next? What happens when civilizations control asterisk, the nucleus of matter itself, or even next episode? Mastering the nucleus, where civilizations blur the line between science and godlike power. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Comment your theories about invisible civilizations.